Okay, I explained in the question number 6 clearly how to identify the name of the quadrilateral by finding the length of all the sides. I mean distance between the 2 points A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D. One sum I cleared to you, remaining to given to you. So here a new topic I am going to start to you today, that is question number 7. In question number 7 you see equidistant. Equidistant means there is a point equal distant from other 2 points. Here the important of this sum is, here the point is not given, x is given. I mean find the point on the x-axis. You must be know point on x-axis, point on y-axis. I will give to you. Point on x-axis is x comma 0. I mean y coordinate is not there. Point on y-axis if comes in the question, it will be 0 comma y. You clear that one. Point on x-axis is x comma 0 anytime. Point on y-axis is 0 comma y. If it is given x-axis, you are going to take the point x comma 0, x-axis given. Okay, now again I am reading the question. You see, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. I mean this 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9 are equal distance from the point on x-axis. So I am taking here point on x-axis is P, that is x comma 0. On x-axis be equidistant from first point 2 comma minus 5 I am taking here A, and second point I am taking minus 2 comma 9 is B. Okay, I given diagram here. If equidistant word is there in the question, this diagram will help to you. I make the two cutting lines here, PA and PB, means the distance must be equal, and it is given in the question also. So I mean here AP, I mean A to P and P to B. P to A, P to B, the distance must be equal. AP means the distance from A to P. We know the formula of the distance is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here we are finding the distance from P to A. I mean P point is x comma 0. I mean x1 is x and x2 is 2 and y1 is minus 5, y2 is 9. Minus 5, y2 is minus 5, y1 is 0, y2 is minus 5. Now we are substituting this, we are getting AP. Clearly here x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square, that is AP equal to BP also. BP is given in the second line equal to, that is here P is the point and B another point. Yet x1 is the x, y1 is the 0, x2 is the minus 2 and y2 is 9. We are substituting again in the distance formula, that is we are getting x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. This x plus 2 it will be happen, minus of minus becomes plus. So now we are going to open the square roots, because both are having equal. AP square equal to BP square, I mean square roots are going to remove. Now a minus b whole square formula we are applying in x minus 2 whole square in the first, I mean AP, distance from A to B, that is a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square, is a equal to x, b equal to 2. That becomes x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, then it equal to, you see x plus another is 0 plus 5 whole square, it becomes 25, equal to x plus 2 whole square means a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab means 4x plus b square means 2 square equal to 4, and 0 minus 9 minus becomes plus because squaring that one. So x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. Here these two are equal, it is given in the question only. You see here x square going to cancel, both the side the same, and minus 4x goes to that side, becomes 8x, or that is you see that 8x is come to this side also, you can take that. Already here minus 4x is there, that place 4x transpose to LHS, it becomes minus 8x equal to 81. Here see here 25 is there for 29, 81 minus 29 is 56. So we want to find the value of x. The multiplication minus 8 transpose to that side becomes divide. 8 1 ja 8 7 ja 56, minus is already there, so x equal to minus 7. So y is already 0, so our point on x axis is, that is p of minus 7 comma 0. So that only we want to find in the seventh. You can read again the question. Find the point on the x axis. What we taken? X comma 0. We find out the value of x, that is minus 7. You keep it again in that one. It become, you need to show in a coordinate form. I mean point is minus 7 comma 0. Clear answer. Okay, here 7 8 9 10 are the same models. Here we find out this value. Now you see in the question number 8, next question is there here. Find the value of y for which the distance between the two points is 10 units. I mean here we are not going to find the distance. Between the distance is given. Clear to you? I mean the distance measurement is given between 10. I mean here you are going to take the points already given here. I mean find the value of y for which the distance between the point p2 comma minus 3 and q10 comma y equal to 10. I mean here see, you are clearing 10 minus 2 whole square. Here also we are using the formula. I given the diagram, you see here, just little bit clear that one. 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, clear, equal to 10 units already given. Squaring both the sides, the 10 square becomes 100. 64 plus 9 plus 6y plus y equal to, here you see y plus 3, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? 10 minus 2 8 square is 64 plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 64 plus 9 plus 6y plus y square equal to 100. Then it becomes y square plus 6y minus 27 plus 100 comes into becomes minus 7. So here you are making to the factors. This is y plus 9 and y minus 3 as becomes the factors of this. I mean you are taking the common between two or split the middle term here. We are cleared in the 9th standard splitting method. So 6y here. 9 3s are 27. 9 minus 3 6 is the middle term. So by that we can split into two factors of y plus 9, y minus 3 equal to 0. Individually we are going to become 0. I mean y plus 9 equal to 0, y equal to minus 9, y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 3. So we can write the two values here for the y, that is minus 9 comma 3. This only we want to find. I mean the difference from the 7th and 8th is, here they are the point on x axis. We are going to find the x. Here we are find the value of y. Distance is given here. In the 7th question, equal distance is given. So we are making to equal the distance between the one point to the other point and first point. Here distance is clearly given, so we are taking directly the distance of that one. You see in the question number 9, if q 0 comma 1 is equidistant from p 5 comma minus 3 and r x comma 6, find the value of x. Also find the distance qr and pr. Here you see distance is not given, but condition is given equal distance. Points also given. Q is given, and I draw the diagram here. You observe it is help to you very well to you. Q point you are taking as 0 comma 1 and p point 5 comma minus 3 and q point x comma 6. Clear to you? And q p you are going to find, I mean pq, as well as qr means rq. The distance is equal. So first we are going to find the distance of the PQ. So here you see again we are using the distance formula here. So 0 minus 5, I mean from PQ equal to QR. PQ point here 0, I mean x1 minus y1. x1 value is 0 and x1 minus x2. x2 is 5. So 0 minus 5 whole square plus y1 minus y2. I mean y1 is 1, y2 is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3. Here 0 minus 5 is becomes 25. 1 plus 3 4 square is 16. Here QR side you see here, and also you are using the distance formula only. x1 is 0, x2 is x. So 0 minus x whole square plus y1 minus y2. y1 is 1, y2 is 6. So y1 minus y2, 1 minus 6 whole square. You see minus becomes plus here, minus x whole square is x square and 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Again minus becomes plus. because of the square. So equal to x square plus 25. The PQ equal to 25 plus 16, QR equal to x square plus 25. You see here, we want to find the value of x square here. See, 25 going to cancel, both are same in the LHS and RHS, so x square is directly 16. So x equal to square root of 16, and always you observe square root will be the two values, plus value and minus value of the same magnitude. I mean x equal to plus 4 and minus 4. So here 2 points are coming for the cube. For the cube, I mean value of x we are substituting 2. R point is here 4 comma 6 is 1 point according to the plus 4. Another you see in the second case, I keep a red dot here, minus 4 comma 6. According to the 4 comma 6 you are getting QR equal to root 41 and PR equal to root 82. And again with the point minus 4 comma 6, and again you are getting the same only here also, QR equal to root 41 and PR is here 9 root 2. Clear to you? And this see you can observe. So this much only we are going to find. In the question asked that find the value of x, again you substitute in that one to find the length of the QR and PR. Why I did in the two ways here? X values are both plus 4 and minus 4. For the plus 4, first two answers QR and PR. For the minus 4 and second QR and PR. So you see here one more question is the last question of the exercise 7.1. Here you see, find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. You see here point P, both x and y both are not given. So same as in the seventh question, we are taking P as x comma y, A is given, B is also given. You clearly that first you are finding the AP and PB and you are going to equal both because it is given in the question only, that is AP equal to B. So first A to P, x1 equal to 3 and x2 equal to x1 is x only here because not given, x1 is x and x2 equal to minus 3. So x1 minus x2 x minus 3 whole square, same as plus y, y1 is y, y2 is 6. So y1 minus y2 means y minus 6 whole square. So BP equal to x, same like that only, P to B we are finding the distance by using the distance formula. So x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. You see here AP equal to BP, both sides square root is there, at a time both going to be cancelled, or squaring both the sides also we can say. So after removing the square root, you are getting by applying the A plus B formula, A minus B formula according to the plus and minus. Here x minus 3 whole square, it is A minus B whole square, that is x square minus 6x plus 9. Y minus 6 whole square is y square minus 12y plus 36. This is AP. And BP also, A plus B whole square we are applying for the x plus 3 whole square. So x square plus 6x plus 9, that is A plus B whole square, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Then again it becomes y square minus 8y plus 16. Clear to you? Now here you see both side x square going to cancel, both side y square going to cancel, only xy constant terms are remaining. It will be there only, it is not going to cancel because we are going to find the relation. Relation means xy will be there. You see here what is left here, minus 12x minus 4y plus 20 equal to 0. So that you are arranging in, or take out the common 4, I mean minus 4 you are taking common out here. So 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 is the required relation. This is the relation between, in 7th sum equidistance told, x-axis we find the value of x, and like 8 sum and 9 sum also given. In 10 sum clearly relation asked. Out of 7, 8, 9, one model will be come in the exam. It's a very important model, easy also. Clear to you? You need to clear that one.